Hello, my antlers have returned. Why'd you break the thing?
It wasn't high enough.
Tell me what it
I couldn't see it.
So you had to... Hello everyone, how are you? It is Cheap Nails helping you stay frugal with nail art. And in this video, I'm going to be doing my first Christmas mani of the season. Woo. But before we get on to that video, please give this video a like if you liked it. Do not forget that, very important. And please subscribe if you want to see more of my Christmas videos. And I would like to give a huge thank you to Kay Lilia for mentioning me in her video. Thank you, Kay. I will put her channel in the description box down below if you want to check it out, and you should check it out. She does beautiful nail art, so go check her out. But now, let's go see my Christmas mani right now. To start out this mani, I've already painted all of my nails white and they're dry. Now, this is gonna be messy, so I'm gonna take some Elmer's glue and a paintbrush, and I'm going to paint that around my nail for easy cleanup. And why am I painting Elmer's glue around my nail? Because if you don't have liquid latex, Elmer's glue is a nice fill-in. It works just as well, so I'm going to paint it around my nails just to help with cleanup. Now that I've got my skin barrier on and it's completely dry, it turns transparent. Now for my index finger, I'm going to take a makeup sponge and some gold glitter polish. It's Ugly Duckling from Broadway, and I'm just going to paint that on that sponge, and then I'm just going to sponge that on my nail, and I'm going to do 2 coats, in between coats, letting it dry. So I did 2 coats to get fully opaque. And then I'm going to start on my middle finger, and I'm going to take this red stamping polish. I love this red stamping polish, by the way. And I'm going to take my Born Pretty LO50 stamping plate, and I'm going to cover half the image with the polish. And then I'm going to take my Born Pretty scraper and scrape 2 times. And then I'm going to take my Born Pretty jelly stamper and gently pick that image up. And as you can see, it's on the jelly stamper. And then I'm going to just gently place that right on my nail. The key I've kind of figured out to stamping is just to do everything gentle. Don't do everything like rough. I used to scrape really rough the images, and it was a mess back then, but I've done it gentle. I try to do it gentle now in the future, now that I know. And as you can see, I am just stamping the exact same image on all 3 of my nails. And now I think it's time to take my tweezer and take off that Elmer's glue. As you can see, it just peels right off, just like liquid latex. And I really like using it because it's a nice fill-in when you don't have any. Now I'm going to take my e.l.f. conceal brush to clean up around my nails. And this is a really good brush to clean around your nails. And I'm also taking, this is my favorite kind of 100% acetone to use to clean around my nails and clean my stamping plates. I love it. I always use it. Now I've dipped my brush in some of that, and I'm just going to clean up my cuticle line to make it look all nice and neat. And I'm going to go ahead and do this to all my other nails. Got to clean that cuticle line. Now that I've cleaned around my nails, I'm going to take a toothpick and that same glitter nail polish, and I'm going to draw St. Nicholas's mitre. Wait a minute. Did I even say in this video yet that I was doing a St. Nicholas design? I must have forgot, but you guys know by the thumbnail that in this video I am painting St. Nicholas, and that's his mitre. It's hard for me to say that for some reason. Now for my ring finger, I'm going to write a cross because he had crosses on his robe thing. And now for my pinky, I'm going to write his staff. He holds a gold staff in this picture, so I tried to paint that on my nail. It was very hard because I couldn't really draw with this glitter nail polish, but I like how it turned out. I think it turned out pretty good. I think you can kind of tell it's a staff. I don't know. Now I'm putting a quick dry top coat on them, and I'm using this Pure Ice Girl on the Run, and it is really good. I bought it at Walmart for $2, and I definitely recommend it. It is a good quick dry top coat. I I wanted to show you guys my thumb because I don't always show you what I paint on my thumb, but I just did the gold cross and I stamped it, and I'm putting a quick dry top coat on it. And these are the St. Nicholas nails. Please tell me down in the comment section down below what you think, and I will put in the description box down below if you want to read about St. Nicholas. I'll put that in the description. But guys, tell me what you think of this St. Nicholas nail design. I hope you guys enjoyed that Christmas Manny. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a like if you liked it. Question of the day. What's your favorite Christmas dessert? Put it down in the comment section down below. I would like to know. And if you tell me yours, and I'll tell you mine. I'll meet you in the comment section. Goodbye.